Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another Stitch Fix unboxing. This unboxing is a little bit different because I am newly pregnant and I actually put in a note and I asked for looser, more flowy tops and or dresses, and then I requested to have no pants, no bottoms, anything like that in there, just because I'm already to the point where I'm feeling very bloated and my bottoms are starting to get tight. So if I buy any more bottoms, it's gonna be maternity bottoms. So I'm excited to see all the shirts and or dresses that she put in here. This is gonna be a new stylist as well because as you guys know, if you follow her on YouTube, Britt Hanlon, who normally styles me, had her baby. So she is on maternity leave. So I'm anxious to see what new stylist I get and how good of a job she does. All the goodies that come in the Stitch Fix: return envelope, style card, and the price list. And then here is our preview. It's not a very good preview side, is it? Okay, here we go. It looks like a lot of different prints. Looks like a very top one, black, blue. It's funny, everything in here is blue or white with, I think, a black shirt on top. So that's very interesting. I did not ask for that color scheme. I would hope it would be a little bit more diverse than that, but we will see what's in here. Okay, so here's a better kind of view for you guys. A lot of stripes and distressed is what it looks like. So the first item looks like a top. Let's see here, a tank top. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how does this go. It looks like the tags are caught up in the, here we go. Okay, cute. Okay, so this must be the back. It must be a scoop back with this string across it. Just a tank top style, loose and flowy, very good to kind of hide when you start off getting a bump. And I think this will actually be really cute with just normal skinny jeans or shorts for summer. And if you guys are wondering, this is the Z Supply taffy back detail knit top in black medium. The next item, let's see here, I think it's like a dress. Okay, so this is just a navy dress. As you can see, it has like the higher neckline. Is a tank top style dress, and it's kind of hard to show you guys on camera. Is that pockets? And there's pockets. I always think of the movie Bridesmaids when Kristen Wiig is trying on a bridesmaid dress and she's like, oh, it has pockets. So yes, very cute. This will be really cute for work or just whatever, with a cute necklace and a cardigan. And this is the Jolie Vivi knit dress in medium. Okay, the next item looks like another top. And this is one of those tie front tank tops. You guys know I don't really like this style because it shows way too much cleavage for my liking, especially now that I'm expecting. I've already like pretty much gone up a cup size, which is crazy. So it looks like it's gonna be low cut. I have a t-shirt by the same brand, Emery Park, in gray. That's a cross front, and it does show a lot of cleavage, so it's kind of hard to combat that. But it is a cute flowy shirt, but most likely I honestly won't keep this one for that reason. This is the Emery Park Dolce cross front knit top in medium. Okay, the next item looks like another top with a very interesting type sleeve detail. So it looks like it has two sleeves, but it must be kind of more like an off the shoulder with just these two straps right here that cross. I like the distressing. The material does feel kind of hot for summer, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna like the material just because it is so hot here. But this shirt is the Kaylee Jonesman cutout sleeve detail knit top, and this is actually a size large. And the last item looks like another dress. Again, this material feels kind of like it's gonna be too hot for the summer, but it might work okay for work and being in the office. It just looks like, if I could get a hold of it, a t-shirt on top, and it's striped, and then of course it's a dress. It looks like it's gonna hit me like right above the knee. And the back of it has this button detail right here. This is great for going over a bump because I feel like dresses are just good because you can just continue to grow into them throughout your pregnancy. But yes, this is also a size large, which is interesting. I normally get mediums, but I did put that I was expecting, so maybe that's why she put in some larges, or maybe these are just made small. This is the Market and Spruce Brita t-shirt dress. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try all of these on for you guys, and I'll let you guys know what I think about them. Okay, here is the cross front tank top. As you can see, it does show quite a bit of cleavage. I would need a tank top under here, which I think would not make sense because it would cut off kind of this detail right here. Otherwise, it fits really good and it is loose and flowy if this is your style top. I do like the stripes. I just wish if it was like a normal V-neck tank top, I definitely would keep it. It's just, I don't like having to walk around being so self-conscious because I do have a young child that I run after. And I do have to bend over a lot, and you'd be able to see right down there. So this is gonna be a no from me, but I do love the way that this fits otherwise, and I love the material. This is the other tank top, the black one, obviously. And this detail on the back is actually really cute. I do have another black tank top underneath it. And I actually like how this fits. It is very flowy, and there would be room to grow. Not a whole bunch of room to grow, but I think really good throughout the summer when it's really, really warm. And I am wearing a bra that I tucked my straps down. I probably would just wear either a bralette or a bandeau underneath of this if I kept it, which I don't really have either, so I would probably have to find something to wear underneath that. Here is the next top. I'm not really liking this style on me. I've seen it on others, and I don't know, I just don't really like how it lays. It almost feels like this sleeve is ripped or something and should be up here. I really do like the way that it feels, and it is kind of more of a warmer shirt. And also this sleeve kind of hits me in like a really weird spot. Like it's not really 3/4 sleeve, but it's not really short either. So this is gonna be a no for me. Okay, so here is the dress that has pockets. The armholes are just a little bit bigger than I would like, but most likely I would just wear this to work anyways. It's very, the material is really good. It's not see-through at all, and it does hit lower down. I do have leggings on, but it hits me right here at the knee, as you can see. And of course, I just love these pockets. Most likely I would do a cardigan over top with a pair of flats, maybe an accent necklace. So depending on price, I probably will keep this one. Here is the next dress and the last item that I have in this haul from Stitch Fix. This dress is really, really good quality material. I can tell it's gonna be very durable. I do like how it's obviously a higher neckline. I like the little back detailing, if you can see it, the buttons. And it hits the same spot as the other dress, right at the knee, right here, so very appropriate for work. I definitely couldn't see myself wearing this outside of work though. It doesn't seem like an everyday casual type dress, but I do think the more that my stomach grows, the better this dress will look. I think obviously I'm still really early and this is all I have to show for it with these twins, but overall I like this too, so depending on price I probably will keep this one. So we'll go ahead and check out and see the price of everything. Always get nervous when I look at the prices. Okay, this is actually the cheapest fix I've ever gotten, ever. Which is interesting. I think that, honestly, every time I have a new stylist, for whatever reason, they always start out super cheap. Like, I'm honestly amazed at how cheap it is. Like, we'll go over it. Wow. Okay. So this Emery Park, the cross front top is only $28. this black tank top with the very interesting back, which I can't really figure out right this second. So this one is also $28. The Kaylee cutout with the off-the-shoulder sleeve is $34. The navy blue plain dress with the pockets is $34, which is very cheap for Stitch Fix dresses. Like, that's an amazing price. And the t-shirt dress by Market and Spruce is the most expensive at $64. So if I bought all 5, it'd be $188 minus the 25% off. If you buy all 5, you get 25% off, which would make everything in here $141. I don't know where I can go and buy 3 tops and 2 dresses for $141. And because of my styling fee, 20 bucks, you pay $20 whenever your box ships to you. That also comes off. So to keep all 5 items, I would only have to pay $121, which is crazy. Yeah, I'm sad. I really wish I liked everything. So I need to look and see how much it would cost to buy just the 3 things that I'm like in love with versus just buying all 5, because I could buy all 5 and give that one top to my mom with the cross because she really likes that kind of style. She looks good in that style. I just don't. So let me tally it up real quick and see if it makes a better deal to buy all 5 or just buy the 3 that I like. So it would only be $106 to buy 3 versus spending $15 more and buying all 5. So I'm gonna buy all 5 for $121. Honestly, like, how do you say no? I think what I'm going to do as far as the front knit tie top, I'm gonna have to find like a bralette that covers or something, because I do like the style and how it fits me otherwise. And then I'm probably gonna give the other top the cross tie to my mom because she always is down to get whatever I send her for clothing. So yeah, this is a really, really successful Stitch Fix. I got exactly what I asked for pretty much. I didn't specify that I didn't like the cross tie front, so that's okay. She did an amazing job, and this is by far the cheapest one that I've ever received. Most of the time I'm paying about $190 in the end. So this was definitely a nice, pleasant surprise. So thank you, Kate, for styling me. You did an amazing job, and that's all for this video. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.